Hey everyone, welcome back to this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you what is the name of Cristiano Ronaldo's YouTube channel. Now, if you have heard this news that Cristiano Ronaldo has created his new YouTube channel and now you must be wondering what is the name of his channel, then you are in the perfect video. So in order to find it, you need to first launch your YouTube mobile application, then tap on this gear icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you can either use the search bar and type Cristiano Ronaldo, or you can even use this mic icon and speak his name. After that, you will be able to see the first YouTube channel with the name UR.Cristiano. So instead of putting his own name, that is Cristiano Ronaldo, he made his YouTube channel with the name UR.Cristiano. So it is his official channel. So if you want to subscribe, then you can tap on the subscribe button in order to subscribe to his channel, and you can also press the notification bell so that you could get notified whenever he uploads the new video. So basically, UR.Cristiano is the official channel of Cristiano Ronaldo. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.